As soon as you meet Tim Gleason, you'll quickly realize he's not just another DJ.
Listen, baby.
When you hire Tim Gleason, you'll know you're getting a professional, an experienced master of ceremonies to host one of the biggest events of your life.
A round of applause and a standing ovation from our new bride and groom.
Fill my heart with gladness.
54 years, that's wonderful. Again, if there's something you'd like to hear, please let me know what that is. We're going to go ahead and open up the dance floor to all of you guys.
Don't believe me, just watch. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough. Yeah. 'Cause the players wanna play. You make me wanna shout, kick my heels up and shout.
When you know you want a professional, someone who will ensure your event goes smoothly, put Tim Gleason #1 on your list and contact him today at Circle City Sound to lock in your date.